Thought I'd do a little build update on this SX500. So it's 2002 SX500, so it's a little bit older, but I got it as a stock. It did run and drive, but the batteries were pretty hurt, so it would barely pull itself around, and then the batteries died real quick. So these come with lead acid batteries, sealed lead acids from the factory. So starting off, I knew I wanted to do a power upgrade, so I started looking at, well, what do I want to do for making it more adult size? So I got a Midwest Mini Mods 5-inch extended swing arm. I went with the 5-inch extension because I knew I was going to put a little bit meatier back tire on there, and the clearance between the tire and the motor gets really close if you just do the 3-inch. I wasn't sure if I was going to go 12s or 10s, so I thought the 5-inch would give me enough room to do what I wanted to do. The forks, these are ride or die forks. I also have the ride or die hydraulic brake kit. So these are it's more of a pit bike style brake, hydraulic. So you get the reservoir and master cylinder for actual stopping power. The tires, these are Amazon 3.5 by 10. These are RSF 650 wheels, KR5V motor. It's a 72 volt 20 amp hour battery. The SX500s are cool because they have so much room in the frame to fit a bigger battery, but this is one that I already had, so I thought I'd put it in there. This is one addition I did. So charging the 72 volt batteries, they don't have they just have a lead coming off of them. So I got this little plug that I could put in on the side, and then that way I can charge the battery without having to remove it. For visibility at nighttime, not so much for me seeing, but being seen if I was riding through the neighborhood or something. I got these little round LEDs, put one on each side in the front. They're white, and then this was a pain to do, but I put one in this plug in the back and then fish the wires through the frame. So I wired those to a 12 volt converter, and they come off of the factory on off switch. So I got a red light in the back to be seen, and then these two pretty bright white LEDs in the front. Again, I thought that was neat to use the stock on off switch. Amazon pit bike bars went right on the ride or die forks. No problems there, and it's super fun. So we're running I think I got it turned down to 5,000 watts, which I ended up going with a 965 for my sprocket set, and that's plenty of power. This one can go up to 7,200 watts, but for around the neighborhood and stuff and just playing around, I've found that this is a good, happy place for it to be.